Sue Bird reveals honest thoughts on Caitlin Clark's WNBA impact. WNBA legend Sue Bird joined The Deal podcast on Thursday with hosts Alex Rodriguez and Jason Kelly. Rodriguez and Kelly spoke on the recent popularity of the WNBA. When asking Bird where the rise in viewership, ticket sales, and overall attention derived from, the league legend was quick to give credit to one player. Bird believes Indiana Fever star Caitlin Clark helped take the league to another level. While she thinks the WNBA was already gaining traction in terms of viewership and marketability over the last several years, Clark changed the game. All of a sudden, this player named Caitlin Clark comes, Bird said. The way I frame it is fire was going. It was burning. Caitlin came and she poured gasoline all over that thing and just took it to another level. During Clark's rookie season with the Fever, the WNBA had a historic year in viewership and ticket sales. In 2024, the WNBA attracted 54 million unique viewers across television platforms like ESPN, ESPN2, CBS, ABC, ION, and NBA TV, which marks an all-time record in viewership. The WNBA also had its highest total attendance in 22 years with a total of 2,353,735 fans league-wide. The league averaged 9,807 fans per game, a 48% increase from the 2023 season. During Clark's rookie season, the 22-year-old helped lead the Fever to its first playoff appearance since 2016. Indiana finished the season with a 20-20 record, its first 20-win season since 2015. Clark ended the year averaging 19.2 points, 5.7 rebounds, and 8.4 assists per game. She led the WNBA in average assists, en route to winning the Rookie of the Year award.